Hello everyone, if you want to see how I made this beautiful headband for a child, keep watching. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So for today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make a very simple hairband. A very simple hairband. I've gone ahead to cut out my fabric, but I'm going to explain to us how I came about the cutting. So the baby's head the baby's head circumference I'm using for this tutorial is 18. So 18 inches minus 4 inches is 14. So that's what I have here. 14 inches. And then the width is 3 inches. And then for my elastic band, what I have here is 4 inches. 4 inches. Remember I said that the baby's head circumference I'm using is 18 inches. 18 minus 4 is 14. That's what I have here. 14, which is the length, and then the width is 3 inches. And then for the hairband it's 4 inches. So, and also for this one, the length of this short fabric, this is longer than this, of this one here, it's 12. The length is 12 inches, and then the width is 3 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this one aside, and then the next thing I'm going to do is this is the right side of the fabric, so I'm going to fold it like this. After folding it like this, make sure you fold it properly, and then you can go ahead. Make sure you fold it properly, then go ahead and just make a triangle here, something like this. You can see it. You see I folded, then I make a triangle here. You can see it. So I went ahead to cut. You see it. You see how it looks. That is that. So what I did was to go ahead and make this into 4. I made this into 4. This because I'm going to use the fabric as an interface. So you see it. I'm placing this, and then I'll also place this. So that's that. And then the other one that is of 12 inches, this one, I'll place it, and then I also use this as interface and place it like this. So take note that this is the right side of the fabric is facing the right side of the other fabric. So what I will do is I'll go ahead, sew here like this. Same thing with this, and then for this I'm going to sew here straight. So after notching, what I'll do is just to put my safety pin here, turn them, that's the 3 of them, and then go ahead and give it a good press. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to give it a very good press. So the next thing is to get my elastic band and the safety pin. And there is a correction. The elastic band I cut earlier, I told you it's 4 inches. But I noticed that after sewing, it's going to be very, very short, After sewing, it's going to be very short. So I now cut out a 6 inch. 6 inch. So against the 4 I told you earlier, because it's going to be short, so that was why I had to use a band, an elastic band of 6 inch. So next is just for me to just insert it here. Make sure it's in the center. I'll fold it like this. Then this also, I'll fold it like this. After folding, let me just go ahead and, you take this one, put it like this. Make sure it's on the center. Make sure it's on the center. Then you fold also. I'll move over to the other side. I also do the same. Make sure it's on the center. Then I'll sew it. So as you can see, let me go to sewing machine, sew here and sew here. So as you can see, I have gone ahead to sew the two sides. You can go ahead and cut out the rough edge. So next is to, like this. So you see the way it looks. If you don't want it to be like this, very full, and you can go ahead and reduce the size, the width of the fabric. So it all depends on how you want it to be. But mine, it's okay this way. And then when tying, you can just go ahead to tie it like this. You can see it. You can see it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. If I come your way next time with another interesting video, do have a lovely, lovely, lovely day.